This built-in electric oven from Neff is ideal for budding chefs looking for a model with great features to help them create amazing dishes. With a large 70-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunctional oven with great functions including a grill and defrost setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Neff's incredible CircoTherm system lets you cook 3 different meal types simultaneously, and it retains heat even if you open the door. The powerful fan on the back wall draws in hot air, where it's heated up and forced back into the cavity via specially placed ducts. The constant circulation of hot air means meals are cooked evenly and flavours and smells won't intermingle between dishes. And because of the forced air travelling in different directions, even when you're checking on your meals, little heat is lost. This model has an electronic programmable timer to help you keep track of your meals. Simply set the cooking duration and an alarm will alert you when it's time to remove your food. This helps you to check on your food's progress so your meals are always cooked to perfection. If you're a budding chef looking for an oven with great features to help you create amazing dishes, this built-in electric model from Neff is an excellent choice.